Hello everybody, Clovis here with UNA's Technology LLC. So today we're gonna continue on talking about variable conversions. So we won't be doing some special thing today, but I wanna just go through some way that helps us to convert variable to from one type to a different type. So like we saw last time, here we can cast a double to a int. So we're doing decimal to we're casting whatever we have inside decimal to new value. There is also a way to convert a string to an integer, but that string has to have some digital value. Like you cannot put hello there or good morning or similar stuff like that. So right here we use Integer.parseInt. It helps us actually to convert whatever you have as a string value to you're passing it as an int so that you can put its value as an int value inside the int variable type. So we have also a way to convert a string to a boolean. Let's say either the string has to be false or true. So you can just do boolean get boolean, and whatever string variable we have here, you can pass it. Like yes, either to be false or true. It has to have this value, either false or true. Then it's gonna be passed inside a boolean uh, variable. So you can see in here there is no complaint because everything is done. We're using casts in here also, or casting or wrapping. So in here it's like you converting a boolean to a string. So you have to do string value of we're just passing a boolean straight, so it's gonna work, and so forth. Here it's pretty much a character to a string. Inside the value of a character, convert it as a string value so that we can pass it to a string variable. That's it. You have a good day. Thank you.